Are you in the woodworking business? Look, it doesn't matter what level you're at, either you're a beginner or skilled. Ted's Woodworking Company has something to offer you. Are you tired of spending days, months, or even years looking for someone or spending a fortune hiring someone to do the work for you? Most plans out there are not specific enough. Directions are too complex for beginners. When I discovered this company, I was amazed how accurate their plans are. Ted's woodworking teams are always doing the right thing, not the easy thing. Ted's woodworking course has 16,000 plans you can get instant access to. Ted's will guide you step by step from start to finish. He will give you exactly cutting and material you need so you can finish your project successfully with less time and money. So if you're a beginner with Ted's woodworking course, you can impress your friends and family. And if you're a professional, you can make your customers happier, and that will increase your business. Ted's will offer you a free plan with no charge to you by clicking on the link below. Get your free plan now.